go to the 335. It's called the bracketed relations style, either for link or for arrow. So we will talk about the 4 parts altogether. So one is the line style. I put this sample diagram here. And also we will show you how to change the line color and then the line thickness. So with those first 3, you can manage and configure the different style of your link or line. And the last is you can use those all together, so we call that a mix. So, and we also will talk about how to add a label to your line or without label. So there's numbers of samples we will do together. So for this bracketed relation, so let's do that now. So I put our simple syntax. So for across all those samples, you need to keep in mind is the style is within the bracket, these parentheses, and they are putting in the middle of your arrow, and in the left and right is your class or the element, so that you can make those change. So let's do those for now. So within that, I will create a file like 0335 first. So first is, let's give a title. So it's a line style without a label. So we will have a full as the class on top, and we have another 6 class. So let's call that is from bar 1 to bar 6. So first is the top, and then class bar 1. Then I can start to copy, because we will use this also in the later samples primarily. So now you have this class, and then those are just let's put those as the definition, and then the add. Let's see. So whether we can do this add class members. So let's do this as bar 2. So you can see here, or maybe it's less same. Use that same, so that you don't get that too much different. So bar 1, we add our bold. So let's do the preview. So that means is you are not able to do those here. So let's put that here and delete this. Let's see. So what's the preview? So I cannot have this class. So just bar 1. Let's see. So bar 1. Oh, so I think I have some issues. So shall I do this also? Yeah, it's allowed. So let's keep this separating. So first I just create 6 the classes, and then I'm starting to add this bar 2 members. That it should be work. So if not work, that will be very strange. So bar 2 with dashed. Bar 3, this is just the member. We just use that as the indicator. Is not have the style for now. Bar 4 is hidden. Bar 5 is plain. So the actual style is putting here the relationships. So when I put this from full, actually I put that to bar. So that is the default link. It's like this one. And then let's put this copy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have this standard. Then you can start to add this bold here. Then this line is coming to bold. So you can gradually to see those the effect dashed. So those are all the keywords. So dashed, and then this is dotted. So if you want to change your line, just like this, and here you can hide your line, hidden line. So this one is disappear, and the last is this plain. So plain, let me see what's the difference to. I don't see the plain has a difference to this one. So plain is just the default one, I believe. So these are our base sample. Let's starting to copy this to number 2. We use this to add the label. So all the following things are the same, and then with label. So the label here is just after your link, you add this column. So when you add that, and with, I think it's here is nothing. So, but here I got arrow. So syntax. So shall I have something here? So how they add this one? So this is our special character. I cannot add those, but if you don't have that, I think it's, this will be our issue. So I cannot add our blank things. Oh, I can only add this blank character. So this is the question. So I need to mention that, and I think it's that also again a question we need to check how to keep it empty. And the second one is simple, so we just add whatever the text here. So you can see I add bold, I add dash, so then that's just simply shown on your link, and dotted. You don't need this bracket parentheses. It's just like we want to keep those as the way, so you can put this hidden. Hidden means your label is also hidden. Plain means this label is plain. Let's also add those bracketed parentheses. So this one is like here. So we finish this first part with 2 samples. So one with label, another is not label. So let's recap before moving. Is you can add this link with the different style using the bracket or this the square parentheses, and use the putting that in the middle of your link. And here try to remember these 5 keywords. Plain should be the same to the default one, and you can bold your link. This means you change the style of your link, and you dashed your link, dotted your link, and you can hide the link. But the hide link, I don't think we need to use that too often, because if you don't want to hide this, you just need to and maybe you don't need to create that. Just in rare situation is you have those relationship, but in certain diagram you don't want that to be shown, but you don't want that to hide from the element level. So that is can be our the use case, but depending on your things. So let's continue. We keep using this one and to change the color. So let's copy this to 3. So now we have our link style. We have our links, these labels. Let's see how we can add the color. So bold. Let's I also add this are red. So you just need to put that here. So inside here, so let me see whether I can add another red. Is that allowed? So it's not allowed. So shall I put that all together? Oh, it's not. So if I want to have that red, now it just come to here. So let's go to the later mix. So you can see here, now is we got the method. It just need to put our comma. So let me starting to use that. So then once we have this, so we don't need to talk about specifically on the mix. So you just learn from here already. So now is we also have this one. Let's see, we want green. So just with a comma, green. And here I may have our this color code. Then I will put this dot, comma, and with this color code. So it's get this color, and also I think for the hidden you have nothing you can change. Is let's say here I have the blue, so I will put this plant to blue. So now we have all those here. So I will not. You can keep adding this here. So let's say bold with this bold, dash with the green, and dotted with this color, and the last one plain with blue. So now we have all those labels also show that as well. So if you don't want to make that too long, remember you can use this way to make that double lines. So have enter. Here is same. So we got such kind of way. So now we already use this mix one. So let's continue. So we keep mixing them. So now I have this 3, and I'm putting the 4. So we move with we add the color. Now let's add here. So this is my file. Let me see what is my 4, number 4 here, and the preview, hide this. So thickness is just a number 1, 2. Oh, better is I can put that in this old number. So let me see here. This one I want is thickness equal to, maybe I use middle one, 5. So then I know now it's just with a comma, thickness equal to 5. Let's see what's the change. When we have that mix, it means it's only as this the power of 2. So all the numbers of 2. I think 4 is allowed. No. Thickness equal to those. Let me see what's the difference. Or shall I delete this first? Thickness, and then I put those after. Oh, they back to the normal one. So thickness, red thickness. So if I put the red first, I change, remove this, red and bold. red and bold. So red, bold. If I put that bold, is the thickness is back. So shall I have this dash with the thickness? No space allowed. This thickness is now working. So let me see 8. Okay, but how this bold is not allowed? Oh, okay, so that is the interesting. So first, the thickness looks like is you can only do this 1, 2, 4, 8, 6, 20, 16. So maybe if I put that 7, I think we got error. Is no change, or maybe let's remove bold. Do I have? Okay, 7 is allowed. 6, 5. Okay, so any number. So I talk wrong. So because that's a mix with that bold situation. So thickness to 5 is allowed. But you cannot use that together with, let's see, so here I can put thickness, so thickness to 5, so this one is allowed, and this one is, maybe I put 15. Oh, it's quite good, and this one, so let's skip the hidden. So this is allowed, and for this bar, if I just have this thickness, is also allowed. The question is the bold. So bold is changing back those. Can I have the bold together with dashed? You see here, when you change, if I make bold first and dash second, can I have the bold dashed? That is no effective, so let me delete thickness. So that is no change. So bold and dash, they can only just apply to one. So here you can see is no dashed and bold. So this is actually bold. If you don't have a bold, then that's not like, that is no bold. So let me have this dashed. And then I have a thickness that is allowed. Oh, thickness. I have a double comma, so thickness. The only issue is bold together with thickness. I think it's here. So how to keep it empty? That is our question 1. And here, when we make that mix, is question 2. How bold can mix with thickness? No effect. So these 2 questions we're coming from this the practice. I'm not sure is whether in your when you follow this demo is you have to generate the same the practice result. So if so, I would like that you will follow the later video that I will update you when I raise these 2 questions to forum, and all forum already have some discussions. I will gather some inputs, then back to our course. So, but in short, is from this this section, we just wanted you to see is you can have those. First is you create a class, then you make the link, and then you can use this the bracketed this style, the relation style to add. One is this line style and line the color and the line thickness, and then this you can starting to use comma to separate them. Remember is don't have any space between them, and then this put that into one common bracket, the parentheses, and then you can mix them to generate some joint effects or joint style. But during our testing, we found two open questions. I will need to find out the reasons. But after all, with this, we finished this 3.35. I hope you learn this and can apply this to your actual diagramming. For next diagram, we will change relation or link of arrows, color, and style from this inline style. So let's see you in the next video. Bye for now.